Hi everyone, I am Francisca Alonso, the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects and Builders. And today we are at the Ferguson Chantilly showroom and I am here with Taylor.
Hi there, my name is Taylor. I work here at Ferguson Showroom Kitchen and Bath, and I've been here for about 6 years. 2023 though has been crazy, in a good way.
So tell me a little bit about the 2023 trends. What have you seen different this year?
Yeah, so it's something that when you walk into someone's bathroom, you immediately don't think about, let me look at their faucet, but you're put with the design right there. It's gold, it's black, it's got like a wheel almost. It's just so unique and innovative that I feel like sometimes they're like, hey everybody, this is my house, but come look at my bathroom. You know, it's fun, it's a personality and it's a conversation starter.
Some years, the tub is the showpiece. Other years, it's the shower. And I have seen too in 2023, it's all about the plumbing, all about the faucets and the tub filler and the shower heads and the kitchen faucet. And they're like the jewelry, right? The jewelry that we put on. It's like those accent pieces.
You nailed that with the jewelry part. You just put that little bit of pizzazz and it brightens up the whole room.
Totally. Can you tell us a little bit about innovation technologies in plumbing in 2023?
Yeah, absolutely. So the biggest thing that came out, more so that's really taken more speed in the industry, it's been out for a little bit, would be the Kohler Anthem. And what that is actually when you're physically in the shower, you'll see a square plate, and that plate is all you need for all your functions. So that technology has allowed someone to really have that almost like full spa or basically car wash experience in the shower with the rain head, the body sprays, the hand towel, all of it without having multiple handles on the wall.
We want it to look very clean and sleek, and so the plumbing is picking up on those trends.
Right, yeah.
Right?
I think you said that perfectly.
So looking at 2023 bestsellers, what are some of the top sellers that your clients, homeowners are looking for?
Yeah, so I would actually drive right into the steam shower function. That is really a bestseller. And I think a lot has to do with where the industry has come kind of after COVID. People are more health conscious and they want to have that oasis away from work. So being able to just do a few modifications to your shower, allowing to have a steam operate it with aroma, chroma, the whole works, is really the driving force of people renovating their primary bathroom. You can actually integrate it with your shower. So your main shower can have your shower head, your body sprays, and all that stuff, and then also have a steam ability.
Right. Right.
All in one space.
Yeah. All you would need to do is make sure, obviously, that it's all enclosed.
That's right.
That you have glass walls and that it's all inside of a space. So for 2023, Taylor, what would you say would be some of the top consumer preferences in terms of plumbing?
Yeah. They want efficiency, but they also want something that is kind of fun and innovative at the same time.
Absolutely. Yeah, I can concur with that from our clients too. I also think that there's been a lot of shifts in finishes. Yeah. You know, for years it was all chrome, and then it was satin nickel, and then it was bronze for a while. But I feel like in 2023, there's been an array of finishes. Yeah, there's no focus in just one finish. Would you agree?
Absolutely, and that brings up a great point, mixing metals. So I actually just recently did a wet bar the other day with, it was like almost like a brushed bronze gold faucet with a hammered steel sink. Naturally you think stainless steel, and wow, that's absolutely beautiful and timeless. There's spaces where you can add a little pizzazz. So mixing metals is great, and another thing that's been huge in the industry.
So as we wrap up this interview, Taylor, can you tell us all what your favorite plumbing trend is for 2023?
Yes. So my favorite plumbing trend in 2023 would have to be the statement tubs. I'm just absolutely blown away daily of these new designs and colors coming out. And you don't even have to be a tub lover to enjoy it. I mean, you walk into a space and you're just like,
like sculpture.
Yes, it's a work of art. Someone's like, I don't want to get in it, but it's fun just to see someone's personality, you know, really come out in a space.
That's awesome. Yeah, I would have to agree with you. Now, from an architectural perspective, as we design and build homes, my favorite plumbing trend is the fact that we now have his and her bathrooms.
That's what I need. I love that.
Well, thank you again for spending time with us, and I look forward to chatting again soon.
Thank you. I appreciate your time. I can be reached at 703-375-5870 if you ever want to come by, make an appointment, or even just chat on the phone. I'm very flexible, and I look forward to working with you.
You can get in touch with us by calling our office in Great Falls, Virginia at 703-865-5065. And you can also follow us on social media. Check out our website at www.avarchitectsbuild.com. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.